Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on online portal that is Classy Hub. So if you are curious to know about the review on this website, watch the video till then. So let's check out the details of this website. Classy Hub is an online platform that is associated with the Classy Hub Collection Company. It claims to offer fashion with affordable and quality Indian wear. It caters to a wide range of collection needs such as crop tops, harem pants, fusion assembles, sarees, gowns, lehengas, suits, and much more. It actually provides perfect outfit for its clientage with classy design with racks for sangeet, haldi, and engagement, and for all those who attend the wedding. So let's check out the specification of Classy Hub. It is HTTPS secure website. The email address which they have mentioned is matching the domain name and it is a positive sign. Contact number have been mentioned on official portal. A physical address is mentioned based on Rajasthan. The payment method which they are accepting are Visa card, PayPal, MasterCard, Amex, etc. You can order from anywhere from the world. It offers 2 days to return its product, and for shipping it usually takes 2 to 4 days to process the item. The positive point of Classy Hub are it provides a wide collection of sarees, harem pants, lehengas, accessory, footwear, jewelry, and much more items. It provides 50% discount on the products available on Classy Hub's shopping portal. It claims to offer affordable and traditional Indian wear with stylish apparel and high quality. It gives a 100% secure checkout to protect clients and buyers. It offers free shipping across the nation with worldwide option available. The negative point of Classy Hub are it is high quality products that claims did not prove right, and it has not acquired clients and buyers trust. So the question is Classy Hub legit? As we all know, Classy Hub is the online shopping portal that provides massive collection of traditional Indian wares with optimum quality and the best available prices. So let's check out it in depth. It has a poor Alexa ranking. It was created on 20th June 2021. The domain creation country is India. The website or the product did not achieve any opinion from its buyer. Its trust score is 35% and owner's details are hidden. So as we all know that customer reviews help us to decide about the legitimacy of any online portal. As far as Classy Hub is concerned, this online site was founded about 2 months ago, making it difficult for buyers to trust instantly. Moreover, it has no views or comments from its buyer, proving that the company is too new to obtain clients' trust. No doubt the individual looking to buy products from Classy Hub but check out the details and the customer review on your end. So in our final verdict, we can say that Classy Hub is a shopping site of Classy Hub Collection Company that deals with Indian wear at low price with high quality. It claims to know the sense of style, and its customer offer broad categories of products for sangeet, haldis, marriages, but the claims were not correct after checking out the details about its collection and authenticity. So we are not recommending any one of you to buy anything from this store. And still, if you are interested to explore this website. So wait for some genuine customer reviews to come and then make a wise decision for your shopping.